Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync data in Savana in 2026. Whether you want to keep your projects, files, or settings updated across multiple devices, syncing your data is simple, so let's get started. First, open the Savana app or website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the same account on every device you want to keep in sync. Next, open the **settings** or preferences * menu and look for the *sync*, cloud sync **, or backup and sync ** option. Yeah, this is where you'll manage your synchronization settings. Now enable data syncing if it's turned off. You know, some platforms let you choose exactly what you want to sync, such as projects, documents, settings, or other account data. After that, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection and wait a few moments while Savana uploads and downloads the latest changes. Finally, open Savana on your other device and refresh or restart the app if needed. If everything is working correctly, your latest data should appear automatically across all connected devices. And that's it, you've successfully synced your data in Savana. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.